Hello everyone, Dan Lisbony here. Today we're going to talk about union versus non-union rates in HeavyJob. So first off, I just want to talk about there are many different ways and things that can be a determining factor on how we set these up. But we're going to look at a way specifically here today in HeavyJob. So just keep that in mind as I show you this. There are other ways and different variants that could affect how we do this. But I want to show you that how flexible we can be in this example. So as you can see on my screen, I'm on the HeavyJob rate set. I have 3 different rates on this rate set screen. You can see I have Harris County wages, Montgomery County, and then I also have a rate set for non-union. So I'm going to go into the Harris County wages rate set, and we're going to take a look at this. So you can see that I have my pay class list here, and I have my rate table, and some of these have rates and some don't. Really what I show you is that I have my class code over on the left hand side of the screen. As I go over to the right tab, there's an accounting values, and you can see that I have my union local assigned to this. So you can see that the laborers down here are union local 103, and I'm just going to scroll down and we're going to look at the operator local is 301. So pay classes on the left, union local here on this in this accounting field, union local. So now what I want to do is I'm going to jump out of this one and we're going to take a look at the Montgomery County rate set. So I'm going to go to the details here on the Montgomery County rate set. You can see I have all the same classifications. I have not set up my rates here. In the accounting values, now you can see I still have the 103 for the laborers, but as I scroll down, let's take a look at the operators. You can see that that is a different local here in this particular rate set. So I'm still saying that this is a backhoe operator, but now this is union local 57. So as the person in the field selects backhoe operator, on that particular job, they don't need to worry about what union it is. The job is telling it because we've set it up in the rate set. This is one way that we can do it. Some companies, they may have a variation where that union needs to change on the time card. In that case, you would just have a combination of your operator class and your union in the same field, so we can handle that. There's a lot of different variations. That's what we do here at HCSS, is help walk you through that to make sure you know how to set that up. In addition, I'm going to go back to my rate set here, and we're going to take a look at this Harris County wages, and I'm going to show you the details. And you can see that I have some rates. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit and show you my rates here. So I have some rates listed out for these particular classifications. All pay classes are listed on each rate set. The ones that I want visible for my field, I'm going to put a rate to. And so now I'm going to go to the iPad. So on the iPad, I have a time card open for this job. And let's just say that I want to change Chris Neal's pay class. As I tap on the employee here, Chris Neal, I can go over to the pay class, hit the drop down. You can see that I see a bunch of the classifications here, like the asphalt foreman, asphalt operator. Well, in this particular job, they shouldn't be selecting that. So all I have to do is toggle this to show only the items with rates, and now I see just the classifications that should be used on this job. Makes it very easy for the foreman to select what he needs, and that filter is sticky. So once it's selected, all they have to do is tap on their pay class and make the change. Additionally, I just want to show you how quick this will work. I'm going to add a value here for the carpenter. So as you can see, I've added a rate for the carpenter. I'm going to click save. Now that is saved, you can see I have the $40 there. And now back on my iPad, maybe they're saying, hey, I don't see the rate for the carpenter. As I tap refresh, now you can see that the carpenter has shown up on the iPad. I can make that selection, and now Chris Neal is a carpenter on that particular time card. So a couple of things that we went over there. One, how do we set up our classifications and our union codes? Very easily I can do that with my different fields in the system, depending on how I need that information to flow in and out of HeavyJob to and from my accounting system. Secondarily, if I have a list of many pay classes and some of those are used on one job and some are not used on the other, I manage that with which ones have rates on those rate sets. And then we could easily see, as that rate was entered and refreshed on the iPad, how quick and easy it was for the foreman to select that pay classification. Click the link in the description below for more information. Thanks for watching.